with another informative video. I just want to take some time out and talk about another up and coming cryptocurrency that really has a lot of great utility. I'm sure if you follow crypto, you've heard of Chainlink. I want to give my insight on Chainlink, and I thank you if you've subscribed or liked any of my videos or listened to any of them. I really appreciate the support. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this information. For those of you who have not heard about Chainlink, we're gonna just take a look at the where its performance is. Currently, Chainlink is the number 10 crypto. This is the 3rd of January 2021. It's currently trading at $13.44. It has a market cap of $5,375,165,000. There's a circulating supply of about 399,000, and it's got some pretty heavy volume. If we take a quick look at the chart, we can see that in the last bull run that it got as high as, let's see here, in 2020 we saw that it hit about $18 and then it cycled back down, and now it's on its way back up to 13. And Chainlink really, if we look back in 2018, it was it didn't really participate in the bull run that took place in when Bitcoin hit its first high. It was not part of that bull run. So this is really a newcomer. This is after the crypto winter of 2018-19, and coming in 2020, that's where the real discovery phase. And then all of a sudden, it just burst on the scene like gangbusters here in basically in mid 2020. And now here we are with a $13 Chainlink. And the issue is okay, that's great. Well, what's underneath it? So let's just go and take a look at their website. It talks about Chainlink wants to be the tool that you use to connect smart contracts to the outside world. So Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network provides reliable, tamper-proof inputs and outputs for complex smart contracts on the blockchain. Okay, for most people that are not technical, that probably doesn't make a whole lot of sense. But what they're really trying to do is they're really trying to allow data to basically flow from whatever's in the real world to a blockchain. And so if we just dig a little deeper here and we look at the developer docs, okay, we start seeing a little bit more about tutorials. They have tutorials about how to basically start developing your own smart contract. So this is a great place to start. We walk you through developing your first smart contract that interacts with Chainlink. Okay, so they're talking here about how you implement it, and how this API can be basically connected to other APIs that don't have anything to do with Chainlink. Let's take a look at the rest of the links here on this first page here. See if we can garner a little bit here. There you have a little Y thing here. It says the industry standard Oracle network. Chainlink greatly expands the capability of smart contracts by enabling access to real-world data, events, payments, and more without sacrificing the security and reliability guarantees inherent blockchain. Okay, that's boilerplate advertising there. They talk about people who are using it, Aave and Synthetics and Yearn. These are all up-and-coming cryptos that are leveraging Chainlink's technology. Okay, so the question becomes, okay, to do what? For those who already understand this, please bear with me. look at this overview under solutions. I think this is the best the best explanation of what they're trying to do. Chainlink connects smart contracts to any blockchain on any blockchain to data providers, web APIs, enterprise systems, cloud services, okay, IoT devices, okay, and payment systems, other blockchains, and more. Okay, so this is really getting into what the essence of what Chainlink really is. Okay, it's giving you the ability to leverage data coming from our past methods of holding data and moving it to a blockchain, or moving data from another blockchain to this blockchain. So this is again a data transfer mechanism. And here they start talking about the kinds of data that are there: asset prices, sports data, medical data. And I think that this graphic here that talks about connect your smart contract to any of these different kinds of data. It does a very good explanation. It shows all these little widgets here talking about real world data and how we can get that data from there and move it through the Chainlink network and then pass it to any blockchain. You can see it spinning the symbols for Ethereum, Bitcoin, Tezos, Polkadot. So the idea is that, hey, Chainlink is going to help you migrate data from real world data sources into any one of these blockchains, and then we can move it from these blockchains back out to more real world events. We can build complex systems, because now that we can integrate data from different blockchains using Chainlink, we can build more sophisticated applications that require data from different data sources. So if you've ever heard of integration of data to create new information, this is a mechanism to migrate data from real world data sources, other blockchains, and migrate it through various blockchains and then reintegrate it into new real world solutions to answer new questions. So Chainlink is the glue, it's a conduit to allow data and information to basically move between different disparate data sources. So this is an incredible tool that's now available. So they're solving a real problem. And in the past, what would happen is if you had data in disparate data sources, you had to build all of these interpreters and interfaces to integrate the data, and it's costly because you have to get developers, they have to have a variety of experience in order to make this happen. Well, the Chainlink folks have already done that for you. All you have to do is figure out how to use their architecture. So that's a little bit about what they're doing. So it's no wonder why you have all these entities actually leveraging the ability to move data from different disparate data sources and blockchains using Chainlink to create new solutions. So with that, I'm going to go back here and take a look at what has happened with the actual coin itself. I want to zoom in on 3 months. And, well, let's just look at a year's worth of data here. Okay, so for February 2020, it was hopping along at about, $2.45. And then all of a sudden, tubers and information starts traveling, and people start understanding this is a technology that's really going to make an impact, and it explodes. Well, now it's on the big scene. It's in the top 10. People are starting to understand that this is a valuable solution to a big problem. Integration of data, creating new solutions without having to build heavy architectures to extract that data from traditional data sources. So it has just really moved up, and a lot of the technologies that I've talked about on this channel are in this same vein, trying to solve these kind of problems, whether it be for Web 3.0 or whether it be for building your own digital solutions. when data needs to be integrated, or different disparate data sources exist and that information needs to be pulled together, things like Chainlink and things like the graph are out here to facilitate that happening. REN is another one to facilitate that happening. So you'll hear me saying positive things about things like REN and the graph, because I look at Chainlink as another one of these architectures trying to do that. So if we just look at the price and we say it's $13.51 with a market cap of 5.3 billion, where is it going to go? And to make this prediction, I want to go back to CoinMarketCap and we really can't compare it to others. I mean, we can go over here to Polkadot and we can say, okay, well, is that similar? What are they doing, right? It's about interoperability as well, right? It's a blockchain to transfer data or asset types, not just token verify, making a wide range of blockchain. It looks like all of these, what we have here is anyone that's helping to move data between different architectures and making it easier for this information to move around is starting to move towards the top 10. That's why we got a Polkadot and we have a Chainlink in the top 10. These blockchains are solving the problem of moving data. Now, if we look at Polkadot, it's the number 6. And it has an $8 billion market cap. We look at Chainlink, it has a $5 billion market cap. And I think they're in the same zone. They're in the same zone. When we get above Polkadot, these other blockchains, they have a different function. Litecoin, XRP, Tether, they don't, and Ethereum and Bitcoin, they have a different function. But the whole data migration, transfer, integration realm, we have Polkadot sitting up here that's a good $3 billion in market cap, greater than Chainlink. I think Chainlink can go at least that far. I'm not talking about ranking, okay? I'm talking about market cap. So whether Chainlink takes the number 7 position or whether it takes the number 5 position, no, I'm gonna look at this and say that Chainlink at least has another $3 billion in growth. If Polkadot can do it, Chainlink can do it. So with that, I'm gonna say, okay, if I look at Polkadot, they can easily, I'm looking at Polkadot. It's gonna be, in another video I said that Polkadot was gonna be potentially number 3. So if Polkadot's number 3 with a $21 billion market cap, you look up there to be number 3 right now, you got to have a $21 billion market cap. I'm going to put Chainlink in that realm with a $20 billion market cap, because there is room for that kind of growth. I'm not talking about ranking here. I don't know if it's going to be 4, 5, 6. I'm talking about the amount of money that people are going to be willing to invest in this architecture because of the problem that it solves. So with that basically puts us in a ×4 situation. With a $20 billion market cap, that puts Chainlink in the realm of, let's see, 4 times 3 is 12, maybe about $52. Now, is that going to happen in 2021? Well, I see 10%. Let's see, if we go back to Chainlink, we saw in a 1-year period, Chainlink went from $2 to $13. So that's 4 times. if Ethereum can go up 30%, or actually it went up 45% in about 2 weeks, and if Chainlink can go up 4 times from February of 2020 to January of 2021, I'm going to say close of business. It's not out of the question. I just said that a $20 billion market cap, okay, a $20 billion market cap is literally 4 times. It's literally 4 times what the market cap is now. Chainlink already did 4 times its market cap from 2020 to 2021. I see no reason why it can't do 4 times its market cap again. And so I'm going to put my price projection at $52 for Chainlink by close of business 2021. If you've enjoyed this video and this price projection, please like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I thank you guys for all the support, all the feedback, all the comments. This is Crypto Big Boss, and I'll catch you on the next one.